Are you tired of feeling stuck when it comes to making money online? Maybe you've heard about AI and affiliate marketing, but every time you look into it, it just feels overwhelming or too technical. If that sounds familiar, I've got something that could completely change the game for you. It's called AI Affiliate Goldmine. And honestly, it's one of the most beginner-friendly programs I've come across. Here's why this is such a big deal. Most online marketing courses focus on tools and features that sound fancy but don't really help you get results. AI Affiliate Goldmine is different. It's built entirely around benefits that matter to you, like building a real audience, creating content that actually sounds like you, and turning your traffic into income, all without wasting time or pouring money into ads. What I love most about this program is how simple it makes everything. Even if you're a complete beginner, the training walks you through step by step. You don't need any tech skills or marketing experience. You'll learn how to use AI in a way that feels natural, not robotic, so your content resonates with people and builds trust, which is the key to making sales. One of the biggest benefits is how it helps you grow an audience organically, without spending a dime on ads. Imagine having a consistent flow of visitors and potential buyers without constantly worrying about complicated ad campaigns. That's a game changer, especially if you've been trying to make your first affiliate commission, but just can't seem to figure out where to start. Another thing that makes AI Affiliate Goldmine stand out is the confidence it gives you. Instead of feeling lost or overwhelmed, you'll know exactly what steps to take next. The creators, Wayne Crow and Paul Strachan, are pros at breaking down complicated AI strategies into something you can actually use right away. They've helped tons of people who are struggling online finally get their first real results, and that says a lot. Oh, and here's something really cool. When you pick up AI Affiliate Goldmine through my link, I've got some awesome bonuses waiting for you. These are extra tools and resources that will make your journey even easier and faster. Trust me, you don't want to miss those. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start building an online income, this is it. AI Affiliate Goldmine doesn't just teach you how to do things, it actually shows you how to build something that lasts, whether you're aiming for your first affiliate commission or looking to scale up and create multiple income streams. So, if you're ready to finally stop spinning your wheels and start seeing real progress, I highly recommend checking it out. You'll find the link in the description below where you can grab AI Affiliate Goldmine and claim your bonuses. Before you go, if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies that can help you grow online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Looking to turbocharge your affiliate marketing game? DeepSeek AI is the answer. DeepSeek AI isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. Imagine crafting high-converting content, optimizing SEO, and analyzing trends, all with one powerful AI. In our ebook, AI Affiliate Goldmine, we reveal the secrets to leveraging DeepSeek AI for maximum profits. From finding profitable niches to generating targeted traffic and converting leads into loyal customers, this guide covers it all. DeepSeek AI stands out with its advanced algorithms and cost-effectiveness, making it accessible to everyone. You'll get actionable insights, automate your workflow, and stay ahead of the competition without breaking the bank. But that's not all. Our ebook delves into practical strategies and tools designed specifically for DeepSeek AI. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, we've got you covered. So why wait? Download AI Affiliate Goldmine today and unlock the power of DeepSeek AI for your affiliate marketing success. Your goldmine awaits.